Let's show you how to use Raptor's Plastic Filler. So here's what you'll need. Raptor's Plastic Filler, some water-based degreaser, 120 all the way up to 240 grit sandpaper, and some rags. Before we start anything, make sure you are geared up with the proper PPE and safety equipment and working in a well-ventilated area. Start by cleaning the area with some water-based degreaser. This is going to remove all the grime, waxes, and contaminants left on the surface. And once it's dry, sand it with 120 to P180 grit sandpaper, just enough to dull the shine and give the filler a solid grip. Once that's all finished, you're going to degrease the surface once again using 2 rags, one to wipe the degreaser on and one to wipe it off. Inside the tin you'll find some filler, a tube of hardener and some applicators. Mixing is simple. For every 100 parts, add about 2 parts of hardener, but to make it easier, that's roughly a pea-sized amount of hardener to a golf ball size amount of filler. Make sure you scan the QR code on the top of the lid to head to our website for more information. Mix until the colour's even, making sure there are no streaks and with an even pressure to make sure no air gets entrapped in the mix. You'll have about 4 to 6 minutes of working time, so mix small amounts and work efficiently. Apply the filler evenly across the repair, pressing firmly to make sure those scratches or gouges are filled. Raptor's plastic filler can be built up to about 1 to 2 millimeters thick, meaning it's perfect for scuffs and surface damage like this. Because it's permanently flexible, it's going to move with the panel, preventing cracks and lifting later on down the track. Make sure you let it cure for about 30 minutes before sanding. Once cured, shape it with 120 to P180 grit sandpaper to level the surface and finish it off with 180 to 240 grit for a smooth, uniform finish ready for primer. Before you do any of this, make sure you check out the website at raptorcoatings.com.au, read up on the technical data sheets, and check out the other resources on how to mix filler correctly.